Hi everyone, it's Cray Cray. Just want to acknowledge God first, and I want to thank everyone for joining me today on my walk through the forest. You know, hey Meta, take a picture. This beautiful forest. Now every day is different here. So I walk down this path. You're walking with me. Thank you for walking with me. Gotta be careful when you walk in the forest. A lot of hills, so you watch your footing. It's just me, my camera, and you today. My friends all around the world. We're global. We're everywhere. We're in the four corners of the world. The four corners of the world. I can smell the salt water from here in the air. You can smell the salt. As you can see, the tide's way out today. It's way out in the water. Let's go under this tree here. It's coming down to the ocean here. It's really quiet today. The winds are really low. As you can see, the tide is way out today. Usually the water is in all the way to the shoreline here. Let's go down here. Thank you for joining me today. Everyone from all the way from Poland to Germany to the Philippines, United States, Brazil, Australia. I really want to thank you. In India, Italy, Romania. I noticed Romania and Italy are really coming up, and the Netherlands. The Netherlands, Romania, and Italy are really coming up on my channel these days. With India, Philippines, United States, and Poland and Germany. Even Nabia, Malaysia. I appreciate everyone. And Greece. Can't forget Greece. Can't forget Greece. Greece is beautiful. Oh, it's way out. You can see this. You can see the sand from the ocean today. That's not a very good one. I have to fix it over here. See if I can find a spot. Right here. Dimitra. Dimitra, my friend from Greece. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting me. I can't forget Nepal. South Africa, Kenya, Jamaica. Whoa! Something's squirting down here. I don't know if you saw that. These little things are squirting. Holy. It's starfish. It's purple. Sitting here on the shoreline. I can't touch it though. But you can see it. Look at the white things on it. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's a starfish. You can see all the star on there. It's like shaped as a star, but it's right now it's all bundled up, trying to protect itself. Oh, so that's a starfish just sitting here on the ocean. What else can we find here? All this green stuff is it's all sea moss. It's like, it feels like hair, wet hair. It's from the ocean. It's like hair. It's pretty cool. It's like sea hair almost. You can see the shoreline here. It's all, usually the water's all the way up to these rocks. See how high it goes? Like right now, I'm standing in like, probably like 10 feet deep in water, usually. But it's all receded. Holy, look at the size of these shells. Wow, look at the size of that one. That is huge. I don't think I've seen one this big before. Holy. Look at the size of these ones. Wow. This is the ocean floor I'm standing on. Like the water usually goes way up here, over top of these rocks. Isn't that amazing? It's just completely amazing. I can hear things. These bubbles in the water. That's the crabs trying to breathe down there. It's beautiful. There's so much sea life down here. Let's see if there's anything on this rock. There's a crab. Look at that crab. These crabs get so big. See the crab? Ah! It's trying to bite me. Try to get it again. Oh, it's gone. It tried to bite me. That's okay. It's okay. Oh. You can see the tide coming in. See how the water's coming in? See the water? It's coming in a little bit. The tide's coming in. it'll fill up. See how it's filling up the seashore? It's God's nature. So I'm just gonna end my film now. Just wanted to show you a bit of the ocean today and how the tide goes out. You can see the water receded. It usually goes way over there, but today the water has come all the way down here. Whoa, what's this? Look at the size of this crab. It's dead. It died, but look at the size of it. The size of the antlers. See the size of these things. This was a crab. The back is all white. The top is hard. It's hard shell. It's a hard shell. It's not alive. It's not alive though. It died. But you can eat these. You just have to boil them up and you can peel off the skin and you can eat the crab meat inside. But that's crab. Crab. Isn't that crazy? It's amazing what you can find down here. Every day is different down here. Every day is different. So I guess God wanted me to show you that, and I got another one here. Oh, there's two starfish. That one's a big one. This one's a small one. Isn't that cool? I can't touch it though, because I might harm it. But it's purple. It's a starfish. It'll sit here until the tide comes out, because it can't. It can't go back in the water. It can't walk or anything. So it's just gonna stay here until the ocean water comes back up. I can hear all sorts of noises on the shore here. Oh, good. Another crab. Oh, this is alive. No, this one's dead too. Another crab. See how big the antlers are? This is a sea crab. Oh. Too bad it's dead, but we got this big shell. You can use this for jewelry. You can clean it out and you just like use it for jewelry. Isn't that cool? It makes a sound. That's cool. Yeah, there's so much stuff down here. It's unfortunate that that crab's gone though. So I'm gonna end my film. I just want to thank everyone for joining me today. God bless you, and take all this in and God bless everyone. Amen. And see you in a bit. It was a pleasure. See you in a bit.